Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be making this beautiful drawstring afro ponytail cap, and I'm using just a braided hair to make this. So the hair I'm using today is a lush hair, and I'm using this that comes two in a pack, but I am definitely not using the both of them. Instead, I am going to divide one into two, and it is the half I'll be using to make this ponytail cap. So this is what it looks like when I divide it into two. So I am just going to give this a cut 4. So after cutting it into 4 places, I'm going to pick this, and then I'm going to be combing it and prep the hair to start coiling the hair. So basically, when you're coiling the hair with the straw, because it is not so strong, it is going to bend. So what I'm going to do is just to put on a broomstick, and this broomstick is going to help keep the straw in place while I coil the hair. So right now I'm going to cut out a small section of hair, so you don't need it to be too big, so the afro is going to come out really nice. So this amount of hair is enough. Then I'm going to start coiling the hair onto the straw. So this is how it will look like. Basically, just wrap the hair around the straw, and then you're going to rotate it so it is going to be sitting nice. If you notice, at the end of the day, I didn't put any bubble pins or anything, but if you feel the need to put, then you can put, because sometimes it doesn't even stay. Unless you really have been doing this for a long time, then you can definitely get a balance for this. So as you can see, as I'm coiling this up, it is beginning to form shape. This is what it should be looking like as you coil it close to each other. So I'm done with this. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing again on the same straw, just at the tips of the first one, and then I'm going to coil this up again. So after doing this is what we have. Three coils for one straw. So when I'm done, I'm just going to remove the broom, and everything is sitting right in place. So this is what we have in totality. So I have a total number of 14 straws, and it is more than enough to make this. So look how beautiful the coils came out. So beautiful. So check out how juicy the coils came out. So I have my ponytail cap already on the dome head. So this is a DIY ponytail cap I made. You can always buy this at any store nearest to you. I wasn't really going out, so I just felt I should make something at least to do this. But you can always do it. This is very affordable, so you can always get this. So I'm basically just crocheting the hair onto the cap. So what I'm doing is just to unravel the coils, and then I'm going to set it out into 3 places. After doing that, I'm going to crochet the hair individually onto the net. So you can see it is beginning to form shape, but as we move forward, you're going to enjoy how beautiful it is going to keep on looking and looking until we are done with this. So by the time we are done, this is what we have. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to trim out the excess layers. So I feel this length is enough, so I do not really need to cut this out. I'm just going to cut out the excess layers which are really flying around the hair. So by the time I'm done trimming the hair, this is what it looks like. It looks so beautiful. So guys, we still have some hair left from this. So if you feel the need to add up on any hole at all you see, you can definitely do that. If you do not feel the need, then you can just leave it like that. So moving on, I am just going to be installing the this little. I'm just going to rub it around my hand, and then I'm going to apply it onto the hair to slick down the hair a little. So this is totally optional, guys. If you really don't want to add this, you can just catch your hair in high bun, and then you can just install the cap, and everything is going to look so beautiful. So right now, all I'm doing is to quickly style the edges. So I don't really need to do much of the work. All I'm doing is just like some basic things which might just let the hair look so beautiful and neat. So right now I'm just going to install the ponytail cap onto the hair, and whoo guys, as you can see, the difference is clear. Look how beautiful the hair turned out. So this hair can go with anything. You can go on a natural hair, it can go on a relaxed hair. So her hair, as you can see, is a relaxed hair, and then you can see how beautiful it turned out. You can't really tell at this point if it's really her hair or a ponytail cap. So if you're relaxed and you're looking to have that afro texture for some time, then you can definitely wear this. If you are natural and you just want to have something different, then you can do this all using just a braiding hair. So I So this is something you should try, because guys, I absolutely love those coins and it came out really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, leave your comments about what you think about this, and if you're going to be trying this out, then I would definitely love to see your comment on this. Well, that's it about this video, guys.